The sun, source of infinite energy and origin of all life. Sending its warming rays to our planet for billions of years, it was only a few decades ago that people learned how to deploy solar energy. Inspired by the sun-loving gecko, we have developed this revolutionary new solar heater, which is designed for people. Sunpad is self-sufficient and contributes economic sustainability. Innovative and aesthetically more pleasing than any previous heater system, Sunpad provides sustainably treated hot water at the best price and is the perfect symbiosis of innovation, design and usability. The CO2 saving of one Sunpad corresponds to 100 huge trees. With its groundbreaking technology, Sunpad turns the solar world upside down. Sunpad, the world's most revolutionary solar water heater.